Welcome back. If you have worked with the Warrior Plus network, you know that when you create an individual product, you will then need to work with HTML. So for example, we are going to go inside of the screen where we will work with some of our product offers. So once we go inside of our offer, we're going to go inside of the individual offer. You're going to notice that Warrior Plus is going to give you code for each of your products to go on a particular page. And what we would do is we would click the Get Code button. And you'll notice the button code is in HTML. So we'll copy this button code right now. And then we'll take a look at it in our Notepad file. And the link you'll notice is very simple. You'll notice that there is an image, and that this image is one that you will then be able to then place in your browser. So you can actually see the address and the image here. The payment button falls within the quotation marks. So if we were to copy that link and head back to our browser, we would then see what the button is actually going to do. Now you may or may not want to use this image for your button. If you have affiliates promoting for you, it's recommended that you use the button that Warrior Plus has associated with the link to the payment page. However, if you don't and you're just releasing the product individually, it's quite possible that you can use your own button, but you'll want to test the button to make sure that it renders correctly and that it's giving you the statistics that you want if people are going to click on it in order to make a purchase of your information product. Warrior Plus also uses HTML for its countdown timer, and you can preview the code from this link before you place it inside of your website. And you'll see what that clock is going to look like if you place it inside of your page. And basically, you are iframing in an application from Warrior Plus. This is a web application that you'll be placing on your page. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.